New to the gym and feeling completely lost? You walk in, see all the machines, and have no idea where to start? That feeling alone causes most beginners to quit before they ever see results. Here's the truth. Most beginners fail because they re-week. They fail because they start the wrong way. Too many exercises, too much weight, and no clear plan. This simple workout plan can save you months of confusion and frustration. No steroids, no extreme workouts, no complicated routines. Just a safe, effective, 100% natural plan designed to help beginners build strength, confidence, and real progress without burning out or getting injured. This video is for complete beginners and natural drug-free lifters who want to start the gym the right way. If you're new to training and feel overwhelmed by advice online, this is for you. Let's be clear about what this video is not, or no advanced routines, no crazy training volume, and no supplements required. You don't need anything extreme to make progress. What you'll get is a simple workout plan you can start today, built around safety, proper form, and consistency. This approach helps you build strength without burning out or getting injured. Because beginners don't need more exercises, they need the right ones. When you're a beginner, your main goal isn't to lift heavy, it's to learn how to move correctly. Every exercise has a skill component. Squats, presses, rows, and hinges all require coordination and control. Learning these movements early builds a foundation that protects you from injury and speeds up progress later. That's why form matters more than weight. Lifting light with good technique trains the right muscles and teaches your body proper movement patterns. Chasing heavy weights too early usually leads to bad habits that are hard to fix and often cause pain or injury down the line. Beginners benefit most from full body training. Training the whole body multiple times per week helps you practice movements more often, build balanced strength, and recover faster. Today, it's simpler, more efficient, and easier to stay consistent with. Just as important is rest and recovery. Muscles grow when you rest, not when you train. Beginners adapt quickly, but only if you allow enough recovery between workouts. Sleep, rest days, and not training to exhaustion every session are key. The golden rule is simple. Master the basics before intensity. If you build the foundation right, everything else becomes easier and safer. For beginners, the best workout split is simple and proven. Full body training, 3 days per week. This approach gives you everything you need without unnecessary complexity. A basic weekly structure looks like this. Day 1, full body. Day 2, rest. Day 3, full body. Day 4, rest. Day 5. Full body. This setup works so well because beginners need practice, not exhaustion. Training the full body multiple times per week allows you to repeat key movement squats, presses, pulls often enough to learn proper form and build coordination. The more frequently you practice good movement, the faster you improve. Another major benefit is better recovery. Beginners grow quickly, but only if recovery keeps up with training. Rest days between sessions allow muscles, joints, the nervous system to adapt without burnout or excessive soreness. Finally, this split promotes consistency. It's easy to remember, easy to follow, and realistic to maintain alongside school, work, or daily life. Miss one workout, and the whole plan doesn't fall apart. For beginners, complicated splits aren't better. They're overwhelming. A simple full-body routine builds strength, confidence, and momentum. And momentum is what keeps beginners coming back to the gym. This full-body workout is designed to be simple, safe, and effective for beginners. It covers all major muscle groups without unnecessary volume, helping you build strength while learning proper technique. Workout full body, squat or leg press, 3-8-1-2. Builds legs and teaches lower body movement. Push-up or bench press -3 times 8 to 12 trains chest, shoulders, and triceps. Row or lat pull down -3 times 8 to 12 strengthens the back and improves posture. Shoulder press 2-3-8-1-2 develops shoulders and upper body stability. Plank or crunch 2 to 3 sets builds core strength and control. Keep rest periods between 60 to 90 seconds. It allows recovery while keeping workouts efficient. Focus on controlled reps, slow down the movement, and feel the muscles working. Avoid rushing through sets or using momentum. Most importantly, stop 1 to 2 reps before failure. Beginners don't need to push to exhaustion to grow. Leaving a small margin keeps form clean, reduces injury risk, and improves recovery so you can train consistently. This plan isn't about doing more, it's about doing the right amount, the right way. A consistency with this simple routine will build strength, confidence, and a solid foundation for long-term progress. Progression is how your body knows it needs to grow. For beginners, the mistake isn't doing too little 80s, trying to progress too fast or without a plan. The safest and most effective method is to add reps before adding weight. If you're doing 3, 8 to 12 reps, aim to move from 8 reps toward 12 reps with the same weight, while keeping good form. Once you can hit the top of the range comfortably, then increase the weight slightly and repeat the process. This approach protects your joints and reinforces proper technique. Tracking your workouts is essential. Write down the exercises, weights, reps, and sets. Without tracking, progression becomes guesswork. With tracking, even small improvements are visible and motivating. Many beginners underestimate how powerful small progress really is. Adding one rep, improving control, or lifting slightly heavier over time compounds into major strength and muscle gains over months. Avoid random changes. Don't switch exercises every week or chase new routines just to feel productive. Consistency with gradual progression always wins. Remember this rule: progress slowly, but never randomly. When beginners focus on steady, planned improvement, results become predictably. Confidence grows alongside strength. For beginners, recovery is just as important as training, and it's often overlooked. Lifting weights creates stress on muscles, joints, and the nervous system. Recovery is when the body adapts and grows stronger, not during the workout itself. Getting 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night is one of the most powerful tools for progress. Sleep supports muscle repair, coordination, energy levels, and motivation. Poor sleep slows recovery and makes even simple workouts feel harder than they should. Rest days are not a sign of weakness. They're a critical part of growth, especially for beginners. Training hard every day doesn't speed up results, increases fatigue and injury risk. Rest days allow muscles to rebuild and prepare for the next session. Many beginners worry about soreness, but soreness doesn't equal a bad workout hand. It doesn't equal a good one either. Mild soreness is normal when learning new movements. Severe soreness that lasts for days usually means recovery wasn't sufficient. The goal is balance. Train consistently, recover fully, and repeat. When recovery matches training frequency, progress becomes smoother and more enjoyable, and beginners are far more likely to stick with the program long term. You don't need to be perfect to make progress in the gym. You don't need the best genetics, the best equipment, or the most advanced routine. What you need especially as a beginner is consistency. Natural muscle growth doesn't start with intensity or extremes. It starts with habits. Showing up to your workouts, practicing good form, eating reasonably well, sleeping enough. Repeating those basics week after week. That's how real strength is built. Many beginners quit because they think they're doing something wrong when progress feels slow. In reality, slow progress is normal and it's sustainable. Confidence grows the same way muscle does, gradually, through repetition and patience. Don't overcomplicate the process. Master the fundamentals. Let your body adapt at its own pace. The goal isn't to rush results, is to build a routine you can maintain for years. Remember this. Start simple. Stay patient. Build strength. The best workout plan is the one you can stick to. Train natural. Train smart. Grow for life. If you stay consistent, your body will respond.